Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus Watch and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. To check the serial number on this device, we need to open the settings. So let's press the upper button to wake up the screen on our watch. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel like this. Now tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Once in settings, let's scroll all the way down and tap on the about option. Here scroll down and find the S/N option. This is the serial number. Here we have it. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check the serial number on the phone app, or rather in the phone app on your phone. So let's wake up the screen on the phone, open the OnePlus Health application on our phone, tap on manage. You should see your OnePlus Watch right here. Now scroll down, tap on the device settings, scroll all the way down and tap on about watch. And here we have the serial number listed in the app. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.